Hey, what's going on? It's Paris. And as you can see, I am on the Xbox Cloud Gaming beta page. This is a Windows 10 desktop using a Chrome browser. I went to xbox.com/play. And since the announcement came out yesterday that they've now made this available to everyone that has Game Pass Ultimate, and they've upgraded everything to the Series X architecture, we should see faster load times and just an overall better experience with cloud gaming on Xbox. So I wanted to kind of test this out to see what the load times would look like. As you can see here, I'm signed in as myself. You kind of see what I've recently been playing. Here's just some other games that are available on Game Pass. And my most recently played, by the way, Spiritfarer. Please go check it out. It's fantastic. Psychonauts, the original. Play it because you're going to want to play Psychonauts 2 when that drops in August. But for this, since I've been playing Sea of Thieves: A Pirate's Life, let's go ahead and fire that up and check out the load times on it. And here we go. Again, it's still technically in beta, but now if you're on Windows 10, obviously on iOS devices with the Safari browser, you can fire this up. I believe it's still not available on Mac or Linux yet, but I would assume that's going to come at some point. And yeah, loading in already. That's pretty fast compared to what it was on the Xbox One architecture. So let's see how long it takes to actually load into the game itself. And I'm using an Xbox Series controller as well. Firing that up, and so far so good. Definitely seems to be loading quicker. And again, they did mention that now it's at 1080p, 60 frames. I guess depending on the game. I don't know if every game's at 60 frames, but just visually, me looking at this definitely looks a lot better right now compared to the past, which I assume was at 720p. Yeah, this is loading right on in here. So let's see how quick. Still loading. And go. Do I want to join previous session? Let's say yes. Let's see what that is. Where was I last? Yes. Where are we at? We're about 3 minutes in so far, going from browser to loading in here. Let's see where we finish it at till I'm actually in the game, and here we are. I am in the game, and we are on the Sea of Thieves. So that's it. This took about a little under 3.5 minutes to go from firing it up on the browser, getting loaded in. This is definitely a lot quicker than it was on the Xbox One hardware. Visually looks great. Controls, I'm not really feeling any lag or anything. Feels good, and I fall in the ocean. So with that, I will go ahead and end it here. So this is Paris, and this was a test of the new cloud gaming using the Series X hardware with Sea of Thieves, with Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. And there's my ship leaving me. I'm going to drown and die. But this is Paris. Thank you guys for checking us out, and I'll see you again real soon.